Hi everyone, so after her lion cut, she is all ready for the bath, but she's not liking it, so we do have to scrub her.
You are fine. Are you gonna bite? Don't bite me for this. So angry now. Should have got my gloves on for you, apparently. Girl. So normally I don't like to scruff cats for the bath, but she's really trying to escape. And that's the only way to hold on to her. And I'm keeping a close eye on her face because she looked like she was going to bite me for a second. You can muzzle them for the bath, but I want to keep her stress levels down. She's already pretty stressed, so I don't want to stress her out just by, no, stop, baby. And this is why I have her scruffed, because otherwise she would have escaped by now. Good girl.
Thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe for more grooming tips.